Welcome to a special edition of Life and Fork. It's our holiday special edition. So I have Celia here. She's going to show us one special holiday drink that she comes up with. What are you going to show us?
We're going to show you how to make the traditional Puerto Rican coquito without eggs.
So stay tuned. We're going to be showing you how to make that right away.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Christmas every time we start locking.
So today we're going to show you how to make the traditional Puerto Rican coquito. In this recipe is particularly we're not using eggs. So there is a preference of whether to use eggs or none. And today we're going to show you how to do it without eggs. Coquito is a traditional Puerto Rican holiday drink. Very common that you'll see it around holidays that we make, and oftentimes that you hear that we sell. Very similar to what the American eggnog would be. But a little bit twist to that flavor. It is a coconut-based drink that you can often drink it as alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and it's typically spiced with rum. So here we're going to get started. We're going to start with our cream of coconut. We're going to take this and throw that first into the blender. So it is actually solid for the most part. In the middle, towards the middle, you'll be more liquid. So we'll turn this over and use a spoon to kind of dig this out and get that going. Make sure you scoop it all in. Once you have that, we're going to start with our evaporated milk. And take that and pour it in. 1 full can. And we're going to follow that with our condensed milk. And you want to make sure you're using a full fat condensed milk. It's very thick. We'll go ahead and try to stir that out as much as we can. And then we're going to move on to our seasonings. So we're going to start with the vanilla. So you're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. A lot of times for the cinnamon, it all depends on your flavor, your taste, your profile. And then we're going to do about 1/8 more or less of nutmeg. Gonna give it a little more sweetness. And then from there, depending on this level of strength that you actually want to have for your, if you're going to do an alcoholic version, you're going to use a Bacardi. It's typically a white rum, and I like to use about a cup. Some people prefer up to 1.5 cups, but it depends on the strength that you're interested in. We're just going to put this all in together, and we'll put it to blend. And you're just going to go ahead and blend until you feel all the ingredients are pretty much well mixed in. There's not that much solid outside of the coconut cream, so it should be fairly simple. Once it's blended, we're gonna go ahead and take a cup and we're gonna taste it. And you can adjust based on your taste profile, whether you want it to be sweeter, a little more cinnamon, it's stronger in alcohol. It is really up to you.
How do you wait?
That's right.
So there you go. Simple recipe made by Celia herself. It's a classic Puerto Rican recipe made for the holidays. We wanted to do something that you can do at home. You know, we love to drink, so this is what we do. But as our cultures have come together, I'm Mexican and she's Puerto Rican. She's teaching me her culture. So this was one of the drinks I grew up knowing about, but never knowing how to make it. So I'm lucky that she has taught me this. As always, don't forget a new episode drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. You can follow me at Chef Jesse Q on Instagram. Celia, where can they follow you?
You can find me on Instagram at FigureCheck.
So there you go. Make sure you guys follow her. She's also a fitness competitor, so she always posts a lot of workouts. I know you guys are all into the whole health thing right now and trying to get in shape, especially after this kind of stuff and after the holidays. You're going to need it. So make sure you guys check it out. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Enjoy.
And
Happy New Year. Really?
So good.